Hey guys, so it's like a bazillion years later. We are coming from California Grill and we have 1 hour in Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
So this is like many hours later because we were here most of the day, but it rained so much, and even with the rain gear that we had, shoes were wet. We were feeling wet and cold and uncomfortable, and we had reservations to California Grill, so we wanted to like freshen up and, you know, change, most importantly, before we go. So that's what we did. We left the parks at like 4 p.m. I think, and we're coming back now for 1 hour. Anyways, like we said, it really rained so much that, you know, we were kind of almost forced to leave. And more than anything, it was, you know, because of my mom, because she just, you know, she was tired, she was uncomfortable. I was also actually very uncomfortable. So we're back. We're back. We're gonna try to see what we can do. The wait times are so low, so we're gonna fast walk it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we'll see. Look how gorgeous this castle looks. Oh my goodness. What a beauty. Oh my gosh. I am so happy we came back for an hour. Are the kids? One pushing the other. So the plan is to do 3 rides in 1 hour. What is it called? I forgot. 7 Dwarfs, Peter Pan, and Haunted Mansion. That would be like the cherry on top for us to finish off this trip, because tomorrow we leave, so today's our last day. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. First ride in the evening. Alright, we got row 1 and 2. These cutie pies are going. You want to go first, row? Go first. Phone? And okay, mine train done. Check.
We got 30 more minutes.
We got 30 minutes left. Is it focusing? So we're gonna head to Peter Pan. I don't know. I also want to go back to the Little Mermaid. You know, guys, I love that ride so much, but I'm not sure if we'll make it. All right, we gotta get our stroller and head to Peter. All right, we're walking really fast. But it looks busy, but at the same time it's not busy. No, it's really not that busy here. Peter Pan looks empty, so that is fantastic. Aiden, what if we did, after Peter Pan, what if we did Aladdin and then Haunted? But I don't want to risk not making it to Haunted Mansion. Oh my god, we had to like regroup for a second. This is like traveling with kids, right? You have plans, but your kids have other plans. I'm sorry, this camera is giving me such a hard time. Here we go. Sorry guys, this camera is giving me such a hard time focusing. But you think you have plans, but when you travel with your kids have other plans. Literally got to the front of Peter Pan, and this guy's like, oh no, I need to go potty. So we had to run over to the bathroom And now, well, I shouldn't say run because you can't run at Disney. We're speed. All right guys, success. Success is happening. We're definitely hitting our 3 rides. Peter Pan was like, no muss, no fuss. It's listed at 35 minutes. We were in and out in like 10. So we're just passing It's a Small World, which I actually would love to go because it's been a while. Give me your hand. But I don't know. We have like 15 minutes to spare. Haunted Mansion is our best bet, I think, at this point. All right, boys, let's do this. All right, Haunted Mansion is 5 minutes walk on. Oh. Yeah, you see the boat? It looks beautiful. That does look beautiful. I'm kind of sad that this is our last ride. This trip was wonderful. It was fast. It was fast and a little sad that it was raining the entire day today except like the evening time, but we still made some great memories. Is the guy standing there? No? Because he was hiding here a couple times. There was literally a guy standing, I think either here or over there, and he like scared the bejesus out of me.
Welcome, foolish mortals,
Yes.
to the Haunted Mansion.
Do you want to listen to him?
There's no turning back now.
Oh, I miss this ride. I love it.
Remember? He just jumped out of nowhere.
He just literally said boo, and I just like left my body for a second. That's amazing. I wish I could do it twice, right?
Yeah. Maybe we could have.
I don't know. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. I don't think we're gonna come out. What time is it? Yeah. I mean, maybe we'll have like literally 1 minute to spare, but I don't know.
Do not pull down your safety. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain.
It's like racing against time today. We literally have, come on, give me here, less than 5 minutes to spare. Aiden speed walked, and we are going to It's a Small World. I am so happy. We're right here. Okay, yay, last ride, It's a Small World. Come on, baby. Yeah, we haven't gone here in a while.
For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
Castle looks extra beautiful. We went around because everybody is going through the castle, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh, this was so fun.
Oh wow, why are people over there?
Alright, so we are officially done here in Magic Kingdom, unfortunately. We had a great evening.
Yeah.
Today was crazy. It was a lot of rain. We were here in the morning, we went back, we came back. And in like literally 1 hour, we got to do 4 rides, which was amazing. It was a great way to finish our little mini Disney World trip and celebrate Grandma's birthday. Grandma's actually waiting for us at the Contemporary because she was just too tired after dinner, so we figured we'll just let her hang out. She went shopping. So we're gonna go pick her up and head to the hotel. We do have a cake for her, so we'll see if we can record like a small video of the cake and stuff. But that's it. Alright guys, well thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye.